How to fix Roblox not launching in your device? For this first step, restart Roblox. Close Roblox completely. Open Task Manager, end any Roblox process which are running in background, and restart your device. Search it, and if it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. And once restart your device and after check it, if the problem still remains, right click Roblox, click Properties, click Compatibility, and click and enable Run the program as administrative. Close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text percentage temp percentage. Type it correctly and click enter. In this, you need to scroll down and click Roblox folder and delete it. Delete the Roblox folder, then one more time search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click enter. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it and click local storage. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folders inside the log folders. Come back. Click temp capture storage folder. Delete the files and folders inside the temp capture storage. Close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. And make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Roblox option is of not having means you need to click allow another app and click browse. For easy method, come outside, right click, open file location of the Roblox, copy the address, come back and paste the address in the browse section. You can easily get the application, click it and add it. I already have so I skip it. You need to add and click OK in the bottom side. Close it and last and final step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrative, type it correctly, sfc space slash scan now. Wait for couple of seconds to complete the process because the process will take some time. Be patient. Once it reaches the 100 percentage, it will verifying and shows the result. After that, exit it. So this is how to fix the issues. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.